Hey, I just got back from a ride on the Gotrax 20-inch folding e-bike, and I couldn't wait another minute to tell you about it. This is for the kind of person who has grown tired of cramped commutes, sweaty rides that feel like workouts before work, and bikes that almost have enough power, but never quite do. You know what convenience feels like, and you past settling for compromise because you finally get what real mobility should feel like. Before you go any further, check the current price and stock on the Gotrax folding e-bike. These things move fast at good prices, and if you've been thinking about it for more than a minute, now's the time to be decisive. You know that moment when you realized your old setup just wasn't cutting it. Maybe your traditional bike left you exhausted miles before you wanted to be. Maybe rides that should have been fun felt like chores. Maybe traffic and hills felt like personal punishments. You tried tougher gears, lighter frames, and still the experience didn't change. That when you knew you were done with almost the first ride on this bike feels like a breath of air. You clip in, hit pedal assist, and suddenly hills don't intimidate you, they barely slow you. The wind doesn't feel like resistance anymore, it feels like movement. It's not about going fast for the sake of it, it's about effortlessly getting where you need to go and actually enjoying the ride. You feel strong even when you're not pushing hard. You notice it on your morning commute when you arrive without sweating through your shirt. You notice it on weekend rides that suddenly feel fun again because you're not holding back. You feel it when you breeze past cars waiting in traffic, or when you explore routes you never thought you'd attempt because hills used to be a no-go. This isn't just transportation, it's liberation. Once you experience that feeling of smooth, responsive assist, everything else starts to feel weaker by comparison. You don't want to go back to strain and struggle because the difference is that clear. And if you're rethinking about waiting on price or availability, remember this: hesitation is how you miss out on opportunities you later wish you took. Bikes like this at this value don't sit still for long. You might wonder if it's really worth the investment. The surprise isn't just the assist, it's how often you use it. You'll find yourself riding more because it feels good. You'll discover paths you never explored. You'll actually look forward to getting outside instead of dreading uphill battles. Owning this doesn't just change how you ride, it changes how you think about riding. You feel proud because it feels intentional, not just convenient. You feel confident because it performs day in, day out without drama. Effortless power on-demand hills that feel like flat roads, now confidence that grows with every ride, freedom to go farther with ease, a sense of mobility that matches your standards. It does take a bit of space to store, and yes, biking without assist suddenly feels hard afterward. At some point, you stop circling weaker alternatives that always leave you wanting more. You choose the bike that already feels right when you picture your next ride. If you're ready to stop settling for sweat and struggle and actually enjoy every mile you ride, check the Gotrax 20 folding e-bike now. Don't let this be the upgrade you put off and wish you'd done sooner.